showing you how to write a simple program in Python. First, we opening Anaconda and then Spider platform file, new file. So here is a new window to write the program. So print parentheses and 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then let define a variable by equals 3.14. Okay. And then print parentheses by the last variable, and then define another variable message, initialize it. Message, its name is message equals hello world, and then control Z, enter. Then we can copy and paste to not repeat the writing. Print here message, the variable message. Hmm. So we need to run this program. Run from here. Now we run it. It needs to be saved first. So we have to save it. Save it as basics of Python. Okay. And we will put here in another folder, new folder here one, and save it. Okay. Now it's saved. Basics of Python. After running, output of 1 plus 5, the output is appearing here in Python console. So 6, and printing by 3.14, and printing of message اللي هي hello world. So, and here the variable the type. So message is a string. So the type is a string. And by is a floating number. So here. So the difference in Python here, we don't define the variable, the types of the variables. The variable take the values and will define by itself. Okay. No needing for defining or declaring the variable data types in Python. Thanks for listening.